Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get the ginger hair and freckles filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect, go here. This is the effect gallery. Okay, here in trending section, remember this image. This is the filter. Okay, suppose you are not finding the filter like this in trending section. What you can do, tap on the search button and here search for ginger. Okay, the first one, this is the effect, tap on it. Okay, this is the effect. Suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the effect gallery or rather from the search, what you can do, go to your For You page. Okay, and here search for ginger and freckle. Ginger and freckles filter. Okay, scroll down and in effects, the third one, this is the effect, tap on it. Okay, on the bottom of the screen you will see use this effect, just tap there to use the effect, likewise. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect like this also from For You page, what you can do, let me go back. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I will give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. You will be directed to the effect page again. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this filter on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.